Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's August 8th, 2025, and it's about 8:15 in the evening. Came down to turn the sprinkler off and water the animals. CJ is down here helping me. He's feeding the goats again. Oh, CJ. He hasn't been walking that long, so it's a little clumsy. Oh, he's going to give him some stuff off the ground. Anyways, been a really nice day today. Sun's about to go down now. It's been mostly blue skies. There has been a few clouds. It's down to 76 degrees. Feels kind of nice out here. So CJ is going to drive us back home.